Dankwa is what I brought for you all today. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a northern Nigerian style peanut snack. It is quick, tasty, and made with just a few ingredients. Let's get it started. What I'm pouring into a pot that you can see here are dried corn. I'm using 1 kilogram of corn. It's a must to toast the corn before using it. That's what I'm doing now. I poured it in a dried pot, turned on my heat, and I'm going to toast it until it is well toasted. You can see it has changed in color. It was white. You can see it now turned to brown. I'm using this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your love. If today is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe. Join us on this channel. Are you glad you did? Thank you. Take a look at it. This is well toasted corn. I'm just going to turn out the heat now, get a tray. I'm going to pour it into it and allow it to cool down completely. When it is cooled down, it's now time to blend it. Because the corn is well toasted, it is so easy to blend. You can see how it looks. It has to be well blended. So I transferred it into a bowl. My roasted corn flour is ready. It's now time for my roasted groundnut. We can call it peanuts. This is a starboard and it works perfectly. Okay, I bought unsalted one. If you live in a country where you can buy fresh one and roast it yourself, you can toast your peanuts yourself, but where I live, it's not available, but you can get this. All right, so I added ginger into it and also added dried pepper. It has to be spicy. It's now time to blend the chili pepper, the groundnuts, and ginger together. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, please do so. If you're not following us already, kindly join us on this channel. You'll be glad you did. The groundnut is ready. I'm going to mix it with this kitchen processor. It makes the mixing of the roasted corn flour and the groundnuts a lot easier. You can do that with your hand. It doesn't matter. So I added part of the groundnut into the flour, and I'm also going to add sugar into it. Of course, a bit of salt as well. Okay, add it into it and mix everything together. This is what you're going to have. Like I've said, if you don't have a kitchen processor to mix it, just get your groundnuts like this, add your sugar and salt into it, pour in the flour, our corn flour, and mix it with your spatula, or wash your hands properly and mix it. That is salt. I'm just adding salt into this, and I give it a good mix. This is what you're going to have. It's now time to start molding it with your clean hand, of course. And you have to roll it like this to give it the typical form of Dankwa. Look at what we have there. Lovely. This is very easy, but tastes super, super delicious. It can last for months, for years. Do you know what I did? I frozen part of it in a freezer and I kept some out there. And after bringing out the one in the freezer, it tasted super delicious. Thanks for watching.